ABC Educational Channel.
Hi kids! Welcome back! Today we are going on a fun trip to the supermarket. Do you like going shopping? Let's explore and learn the names of things we can see in the supermarket. Do you like vegetables? Let's look around and name the vegetables we can see. Look! I see carrots. Carrots are orange and crunchy. Here are some cucumbers. Cucumbers are green and fresh. Oh! I see garlic. Garlic is small and white. Over here is lettuce. Lettuce is green and leafy. Look at the mushrooms. Mushrooms are soft and round. Here are onions. Onions can be white, yellow, or purple. Wow! I see peppers. Peppers can be red, green, or yellow. Look! These are potatoes. Potatoes are brown on the outside. Oh! A big pumpkin. Pumpkins are orange and round. And here are tomatoes. Tomatoes are red and juicy. We are visiting the fruit stand at the market. Fruits are yummy and healthy. Let's look around and name the fruits we can see. Look! I see apples. Apples can be red, green, or yellow. Here are some bananas. Bananas are yellow and sweet. Oh! I see cherries. Cherries are small, red, and round. Over here are grapes. Grapes can be green or purple. Look at the lemons. Lemons are yellow and sour. Here are some oranges. Oranges are round and juicy. Wow! I see a peach. Peaches are soft and sweet. Here are pears. Pears are green and tasty. Look at the strawberries. Strawberries are red and have tiny seeds. And here is a big watermelon. Watermelons are green outside and red inside. Let's visit the meat stand at the supermarket. Here, we can see many kinds of meat that people cook for lunch or dinner. Let's name them together. Look! This is beef. Beef comes from cows. Here is some lamb. Lamb comes from sheep. This is pork. Pork comes from pigs. Look at the bacon. Bacon is thin and crispy when cooked. Over here is chicken. Chicken is very common and tasty. This is ham. Ham is often eaten in sandwiches. Wow! Here are some meatballs. Meatballs are small and round. Look at the ribs. Ribs are delicious when grilled. These are sausages. Sausages are long and yummy. And here is a steak. Steak is a big slice of beef. Today, let's visit the fish and seafood stand at the supermarket. Here, we can see lots of yummy seafood. Let's name them together. Look! These are clams. Clams have hard shells. Here we see some mussels. Mussels also have shells, just like clams. Wow! This is an octopus. An octopus has 8 long arms. Over here are prawns. Shrimp prawns look like shrimp. This is salmon. Fish salmon is a big fish that is very healthy. Look at the sardines. Sardines are small fish. And here is tuna. Tuna is a big fish we often eat in sandwiches. We are at the supermarket again. Let's look at dairy products stand. Here, we can find some tasty and healthy food. Let's name them together. Look, here is butter. Butter is soft and yellow. This is cheese. Cheese is yummy and comes in many shapes. Here we have cream. Cream is thick and smooth. Wow! Here's some ice cream. Ice cream is cold and sweet. Look at the milk. Milk is healthy and good for strong bones. This is a milkshake. Milkshakes are sweet drinks made with milk and ice cream. And here is yogurt. Yogurt is creamy and comes in many flavors. Let's visit the cereal stand at the supermarket. Here we can see food made from grains. Let's name them together. Look, here are some biscuits. Cookie biscuits are crunchy and sweet. This is bread. Bread is soft, and we can use it to make sandwiches. Here we see cereal. Cereal is yummy, and we eat it with milk. Wow! This is corn. Corn is yellow and sweet.
Look at the flour. Flour is used to make bread cakes and cookies.
Here is some pasta. Pasta comes in many shapes like spaghetti or macaroni. This is rice. Rice is small, white, and we eat it with many meals. And here is wheat. Wheat is a grain used to make flour and bread. Let's go to the legumes stand at the supermarket. Legumes are healthy foods full of protein and energy. Let's see what we can find. Look, here are some beans. Beans are small and tasty, and they come in many colors. These are chickpeas. Chickpeas are round and yummy. We can make hummus with them. Wow! Here are green beans. Green beans are long and green, and we can eat them as vegetables. These are lentils. Lentils are tiny and healthy. We can cook them in soup or curry. And here we see peas. Peas are small, round, and green. They taste sweet and soft. Let's visit the nuts stand at the supermarket. Nuts are crunchy, tasty, and very healthy. Let's see what kinds of nuts we can find. Here are some almonds. Almonds are small, brown, and crunchy. These are cashews. Cashews are curved like a little smile. They taste creamy and yummy. Wow! These are chestnuts. Chestnuts are round and can be roasted to eat warm. Look! A coconut. Coconut is big and brown on the outside, but white and sweet inside. These are hazelnuts. Hazelnuts are small and round. They are used to make chocolate spread. Here are pistachios. Pistachios are green inside and come in a shell. They are fun to crack open. These are peanuts. Peanuts grow in shells and are used to make peanut butter. And finally, we have walnuts. Walnuts have a hard shell and look like a little brain inside. Let's visit the fast food stand at the supermarket. Here we can see some delicious food that many people enjoy. Let's take a look. Here is some spaghetti. Spaghetti is pasta with yummy sauce. Slurp, slurp. Look at the French fries. They are crispy, golden, and salty. Kids love them. Here's a hamburger. A hamburger has bread, meat, lettuce, and cheese. Yum! This is a hot dog. A hot dog is a sausage inside bread. Delicious! Wow! A tasty pizza. Pizza has cheese, tomato sauce, and toppings like pepperoni or vegetables. And here's a sandwich. A sandwich is made with bread and filled with cheese, meat, or vegetables. We are at the fast sweets stand. Here we can see many yummy and colorful treats. Let's name them together. Here is a cake. A cake is sweet and soft. We eat cake at birthday parties. Look at the chewing gum. Chewing gum is chewy and fun to pop. Wow! These are jelly beans. Jelly beans are small, colorful, and sweet. Here is a donut. A donut is round with a hole in the middle. Sometimes it has sprinkles. Look at the lollipop. A lollipop is candy on a stick. You can lick it slowly. And here is candy. Candy comes in many shapes, colors, and flavors. We are at the other food stand in the supermarket. Here we can see many important foods we use every day. Let's learn their names together. Here is an egg. We can cook eggs for breakfast. This is jam. Strawberry jam is sweet and we spread it on bread. Look. This is ketchup. Ketchup is red and we put it on French fries. Here is mayonnaise. We use mayonnaise in sandwiches. This is mustard. Mustard is yellow and we put it on hot dogs. Look at the olive oil. Olive oil is used for cooking and salads. This is salt. Salt makes our food tasty. Here is sugar. Sugar makes our food sweet. And finally, this is vinegar. We use vinegar in cooking and salad dressings. Today we are at the other drink stand in the supermarket. Here we can see different drinks that people enjoy every day. Let's learn their names together. This is beer. Beer is a drink for adults only. Here is coffee. Many adults like to drink coffee in the morning. This is hot chocolate. Yummy! Kids love hot chocolate, especially when it's cold. Look! This is orange juice. Orange juice is sweet and healthy. Here is a soft drink. Soft drinks are fizzy and sweet. This is tea. Some people drink tea in the morning or evening. Here is water. Droplet water is the healthiest drink for everyone. And finally, this is wine. Wine is also a drink for adults only. Great job, kids! Today we learned many supermarket words: shopping cart, basket, fruits, vegetables, dairy, bakery, snacks, and more. Next time you go shopping, try to remember and say the words you see.